Hey, what's up? So this is the fastest way to make dark mode version of your UI that you've designed on Figma. So let's just jump into it. So I'll just do this. What you're supposed to do is just have to get like two cards. One is the vertical and the other one is the vertical dark mode. And this is how I do it. Maybe if you have another way you do it, just comment below. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this and go to prototype, and as you can see, what you'll have to do is just click on this, then on click, navigate to, then destination is vertical cut down mode, then animation is smart animate, then ease in, then you just put this in. So when you play this, it will, and also on the other side you just do the same, you add it, but this time you make it ease out, then 1000 seconds. So let's just play this preview so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is it. So what I'm gonna do, when I click on this, as you can see, it's changing to dark mode. When I click on this, it changes into light mode. So that is how you achieve that.